In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use ZipPay at Walmart. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The option to shop at Walmart using ZipPay is available on the latest version of the mobile app. So all that you have to do is open ZipPay on your phone and sign into your account. Once you are signed in, select the in-store option from the menu at the bottom of your screen. Keep in mind that if you don't want to shop in-store at Walmart, all that you have to do instead is use the search function to look for Walmart and browse through the website inside of the ZipPay mobile app. Alternatively, if you are paying on store, you will be able to find the Paying in-store at Walmart option in this tab. When you select Paying in-store at Walmart, as you can see, you can choose from a list of payment methods that you have registered on your ZipPay account. Choose the payment method that you want to use to finish making this purchase and add new ones if necessary. Once you tap Done at the top right corner of the screen, you will be able to scan the QR code at register to finish paying for your order through ZipPay. You can browse through the list of available payment plans on screen and choose the one that is best for you. You will be able to manage your payment inside of the Orders tab inside of the ZipPay mobile app, and as long as you do this process through the latest version of the app, everything should go through without any issues. So, like I said, if you want to make a purchase online, use the search function on the ZipPay app, or alternatively, go to the in-store menu as I've highlighted here, and you will be able to make in-store purchases at Walmart using ZipPay. I hope I was able to help you on how to use ZipPay at Walmart. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.